Okay, everybody, welcome back to another episode. This episode, I want to throw up a quick video of my autocross I did this weekend with the Golden Gate Lotus Club. So I'm going to throw up some video of that. And then as you can see, the car is pretty much coming apart. So I'm getting it ready for the Silver State, May, I think it's 17th, 18th, somewhere there. So I got about 4 weeks, about 3.5 weeks, I think. And so all the wheels are off, clawing around, making sure everything's greased, making sure everything's tight, making sure everything is ready to go. So stay tuned, but I'll try to get this video up here today. Should be a good one. I got some good video autocross. Ben actually took some out of car video, so I'll have both in car or out of car. So it should be good. So enjoy. And then next time you see video will probably be from the Silver State at 165 miles an hour, maybe more. We shall see. So yeah, we're gonna push it. So thanks, and appreciate y'all watching, and hit that subscribe button. Thanks.